Hey guys, it's Darcy here again on a lovely weekend afternoon. And in between, doing housework and cooking and getting you to smash that like button if you're liking these videos, I thought I'd drop in and do a bit of a, out of the box Grasshopper tutorial based around a couple other different plugins just to sort of expose you guys to everything. And in front of me, or right in front of you, is a video that the god himself, Arturo Tedeschi, uploaded to his YouTube about 7 years ago, called Dynamic Branch Structure. And if I click play, it's slowly, here we go. It starts off as charges around a series of curves. And there's some kind of metaball structure that's been generated there, and then you can see that the mesh starts to adapt, and it looks like it wants to become more regular looking. So I thought I'd just show you how this is built and how you can achieve this in Grasshopper using firstly the plugin called Cocoon, which is great for generating metaball geometry. And then we're going to put into Mesh Machine, which is like a subset of Kangaroo, afterwards to remesh it to make it look a bit better. Well, we don't want to play that one right about now. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to use snipping tool to take a screenshot of it. Here we go. And I'm just going to save this. And then I'm going to come back into Rhino. I've got Grasshopper ready to go, and I'm just going to add this picture in. If I can remember where I saved it. There it is. So what we're going to do is I'm going to lock this. I'm going to use this picture to inform. You can tell that this is based off these series of curves that are going through the geometry. So I'm just going to very, very quickly. Why don't I just minimize Grasshopper and draw it on a layer that you can see. I'm going to kind of make this line up like so. And I'm being pretty rough here. I think that one wants to come down there. I think there's one over here that I've missed. And that looks about it. So you'll see that, there looks like there's a bit of depth to some of these curves. So I'm just going to go into perspective mode now and just tweak them slightly by, by turning points on, like so, and because they're just, well, they're not, I'd use the polyline command, because they're just lines, they're only going to have 2 points. And I'm just going to grab a couple that are on the same plane. It looks like this one's out in front of everything, as does it for these two. This one looks like it's kind of in the back. I'm just going to shift that over like so. And apart from that, I could leave it for now. Maybe we'll move it over a bit more, and this one looks a bit more pronounced, so we'll bring that over. and yeah, that looks alright for now. And unlock, I'm just going to put this on another layer, and maybe I will, here we go, can I make this a bit more transparent? There we are, and I'll just leave that locked there. So I'll leave it there for this video. So all I've done is, brought an image into Rhino and traced over it, and in the next video we'll open up Grasshopper and reference all these curves in and start building up our base geometry in Cocoon. So see you then.